Boom, peace intro. What's up, guys? Well, it's Sunday morning instead of Saturday. I usually do Saturday. Sorry about that. Um, I'm really trying to change some things up down here. But we're gonna do one of these sticker drawings. I pretty much made some decisions, but I just got to get it done. We'll go over that in a minute. We're doing the drawing for, what was it? Drawing number 4. Man, this, I'll tell you what, I took this thing, this Hellcat Challenger out, and man, it is so nice, guys. Whoever wins this is gonna love it. Thought about getting some more, but I don't know. I'm not trying to wear out the sticker drawing so much. You know, I try to, I don't know, they're nice ones. I try to get them so we can pass them on, but I got some other stuff I'm probably gonna get rid of my own in a sticker drawing here pretty soon. Because that way I can get me some more money back and buy myself some 118 scales, because I'm really hooked on these 118s. I know they take up more room, but man, once you start staring at them, they're so nice. And but I still like the small 164, but it's only going to be certain castings. But also, anyway, this is what else is up there. Oh, this thing is beautiful too, guys. A Hong Kong toy car salon. Whoever gets that's going to love it too. And then there was the mail-in, cool little Galaxy 500. And I came across this. I was going through some of my stuff, and turns out I had 2 of them. And sometimes that happens. I haven't bought Coke in quite a while, so I don't know when I bought them. But anyway, it's a sweet little truck. And so I went ahead and added it in there. It'll be a 4th place, or a 4th pick. And then right now, some people have already found it. I haven't said anything, but this one's already up. I think it's, I don't remember. It's the purple gasser sticker, but this thing is super cool too, guys. This Ferrari, it's got a plastic cover on it. Doesn't have a case, but so you'll have to set it in a case or something. And the Aurora model, oh, this thing's beautiful too, guys. It's up there now. A lot of people have found it, so I don't know. I don't know how many stickers are left, guys, really. Maybe 20. I'm not sure. But I found a couple cars that I added to it that I really don't. I got them, but I just don't really care a lot about them. But so I wanted to throw some more in there, and one of them is this, and the other one is that. This is an older one. I got it years ago. I can't remember when, but I mean, it was when I first started collecting. But it's a pretty cool one. It's a little Castro Mini GT GSX, and like I said, I've kind of went on. I want nicer. This one's pretty nice. It really is, but it's just not. I'm super picky about wheels and everything. These wheels aren't too terribly bad. I mean, this really is. It was debatable. I was like, you might want to keep that, but not really going to. So I threw it in there with that next drawing. So there'll be 4 picks on that baby too, guys. I just got, something like that to do. But I got some other cars I'm going to go through, and I'm probably going to do a drawing where there'll be cars like this, and it'll be sets of 3 probably. Like I may have like 3 sets of 3, maybe 4 sets of 3. I'm not sure. I have to figure it out. Might be 3 sets of 4 or 4 sets of 3 that go into a sticker drawing, and then you get all 3 of them. But I'm not sure. Depends on what they are. I don't know. And I might have some like sets. You know how you buy the 5 that come 5 in a car culture or whatever, Fast and Furious. I may have some of those sets that I may put up as well the same way, and do like 3 of those sets, and but I don't know yet. I just know I gotta I got to clear some of it out because I'm wanting different castings. There's certain ones I'll keep. The rest of them, I don't want them in boxes no more. I want to get rid of them, but I can't give everything away, guys. I can't give it all away. And I do give away a lot. Trust me, I put stuff in every box that goes out here, but I can't give it all away. I need to, I need to be smart and try to recoup some of the money and buy the car I want, you know. Some of these, you know, you can get for $100, $150. So some of them are more, but you know, around $150 you can get some of these cool cars. And there's not a lot of them I want, so it's going to take a long time to use up room. And plus there's still a lot of 164s I do want. I guess my point is I have a lot of them that I don't. So anyway, here's, oh my goodness, Mark Ryan. Oh my God, he's all over this thing. He can win twice. He may sweep this thing. I mean, he is on here more than I can imagine. But you've got Mr. House bought 10 spots. Mark Ryan bought, shoot, at least 15. Mr. Cummings bought 10 spots. Other than that, wow. I guess other than that, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, I don't know. I guess there's 5 or 6 other people on there. But there's your numbers. And the mark next to Mark Ryan is because he came back and, you know, he bought 5 more. I don't know if he was just trying to get it done. I guess there must have been 5 left. But anyway, it ended up with his name right next to his other name in a couple, 2 or 3 spots, because that was the only spots left. So, like I said, he's all over this thing. But anyway, good luck to everybody. And hold on, I gotta answer McNasty. I gotta answer McNasty. Yeah, sent me an email. All right, let's see the. Of course, I didn't pull it up already, so there's that. I forget to do that every time. All right, let's shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Let's see who's going to get first pick right out the gate. Good luck to everybody. And you never know who it's going to be. 29. 29 is Mark Ryan. Imagine that. Told you he was all over there. First pick, number 29. See who's going to get second pick. 38. Wow, Mark Ryan. Told you guys he could sweep this whole thing. Well, he can only win twice. Second, Mark Ryan. Number 38. Wow. He scored both of those awesome cars. I mean, he bought all them stickers, guys. You know how it goes. Whoever's in that spot, I mean, if he's going to gamble, that was him, I think. Didn't he just buy like 15 on another drawing? And yeah, and didn't get nothing? Yeah, you never know, guys. Anyway, let's see who's going to get third pick. And I was surprised one time he picked an RLC instead of the super cool car. Because I think he's an RLC guy mainly. 27 is Mark Ryan again. I told you he's all over that thing, but he can't win again, so we got to keep going. Seven, Mr. Harrison gets third pick. He just won not too long ago. Third, number 7. Harrison, he gets third pick. Don't know what it'll be. Like I said, I would assume, well, we'll go over that in a minute, but I really don't know what Mr. Mark Ryan would pick. Like I said, he's an RLC guy, he seems to be, so I really don't know. Now let's see who gets the last pick. What was that jumping around? 5, Mr. Cummings. 5, 4th place. Mr. Cummings. Actually, you got a couple cars over there. Haven't sent. What was that? You won something. Oh, you won the yellow Charger, 69 Charger, the gold colored Charger. And you got 3 cars I added over there you wanted. Oh, and there's something else under there. What is that? Oh no, that's it. That's what it was. So you got those there. So you're getting a little pile going. And now you got 4th place here. So, again, guys, all I can do, dang it, is push the button. Mr. Mark Ryan scored 1st and 2nd place. And I really don't know what he'll pick, guys, honestly. But there's what there is to pick from. So, Mark Ryan gets 1st and 2nd choice, and then Mr. Harrison gets 3rd choice, and then Mr. Cummings gets what's left. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's the way it goes, guys. You know how it goes. But anyway, there's that. Congratulations to the winners. Apologize to the guys that didn't get it. And congrats to the ones that did. And I did get my decals in for Mr. Pruse's car. Finally got the decals on the car. And I'll probably shoot clear on it tomorrow in the afternoon. After work, in other words. And finish up some small things to it, get back on them other ones. And I got to get those other gassers done. I'm so far behind on them, but golly, they take so much time because I got so many other cars I want to do. I mean, there's so many other cars I still got to do. But like Mr. Herrera, I haven't forgot your drag buses either. They're still sitting right there. Like I said, I'm so far behind, guys. But anyway, there's that. Like I said, the other drawings up there now. Those are some awesome cars. Good luck to everybody who gets in on that. And I guess I will let you guys go and get back to arranging some things around down here. And go from there. So congrats to the winners. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Outro.